Thank you for reaching FDC4 production. Another video, more value to increment your potential, your skills, professional skills, to send it to the sky. I was thinking a few days ago, and I came to the realization that, yes, it's important to learn how to make money, to learn certain skills to get you a job, to learn this, to learn that, and many courses and programs I have brought into your doors, to your step doors, uh, and many of you have taken a lot of advantage and opportunity of that, which I see it totally great. But I also realized, hey, is it really enough? Why did I question myself in that way? I was like, well, I see people that find jobs, they go to interviews, some of them fails, but they were ready for the job, they had the knowledge and everything. But what happened? They failed the interview. Um, some people are really good at school and classes, they get top-notch grades, but when they go out there to the nightclub to speak with a girl, speak with a guy, they froze. Some actually go to an interview and they get frozen. They just like don't know how to interact, and if they interact in a very strange, awkward way. It happens to the best of us. There's nothing wrong with that. It doesn't make you an alien from a different planet or much less person than others. No, it's just normal. Today, I want to share with all of you a free course that will help you um, to understand better the human mind, to understand better people. Intro to Psychology, which is the science of thought and behavior. Do you understand where I'm trying to come up with this? I hope you do. About this course, Introduction to Psychology is a journey through all of the major psychological concepts and principles. The knowledge gained from this course would allow students or individuals or anyone who is interested, which I am, I'm definitely going to be taking this course, to critically evaluate critically evaluate psychological research and have more in-depth understanding of human thought and behavior. I don't know, I think it will make you a better uh, um, YouTube influencer. If you're actually trying to open a YouTube channel and speak up to the people, somehow, same way I'm speaking to you, taking courses like that, classes like these, it will make you a better speaker, it will make you a better, you know, speech teller. Somebody that can deliver message in a better, more understandable way. Courses like this will make you a better person. The cost of this course is even an insult if somebody asks me. You already know that it's for free. I always bring you free stuff. I am not here to sell you. This is a small disclaimer that I always like to bring into all my videos. FDC4 production, myself, we are not being sponsored or partnered or patronized or anything by any company or Audacity. No, the reason why I'm bringing this to your doorstep is voluntarily to add more value to our community, to our people. There are a lot of free stuff out there that are really good and can add value. There are other free stuff that really will get you stuck, will actually drag you down, and will not help you to succeed. The stuff that you find in here will help you to become a better individual. Timeline: approximately 4 months. Psychology is a very complex topic. You have to understand it cannot be done in 1 week. So I would strongly recommend you be patient and do it on your own pace. The skill level is beginner. It's an introductory course. The only thing that you gotta know is how to read or listen. It's a video. There's gonna be rich learning content, which you're gonna actually learn a lot of stuff. There's gonna be quizzes, self-paced learning, and taught by industry pros, people that work in the field, that knows their stuff. Which we're gonna go there to continuation, and you gotta know English. Of course, it's gonna be an English course. Course leads. Oh, I see some familiar faces in here. Susan Sniserski. Susan Sniserski. I hope that I pronunciated that correctly. It's a beautiful last name, but got difficulty to pronunciate it. Sorry about that, Susan. Beautiful smile. Greg faced instructor as well, and of course our beautiful and professional Lauren Castellano. She actually is an instructor, if I'm not mistaken, from the previous course that I actually did bring to you all. She very professional, very experienced. I would recommend you to Google her. You'll find a very interesting background from her, and of course from Greg and Susan. This is gonna be a very nice course. Best strongly recommended. What you will learn from this course, you will have 9 lessons. Pretty simple. Lesson number 1: Introduction to Psychology, of course. Practice versus research. Industrial and organizational psychology. Forensic psychology, which is the 3 points that will be discussed on lesson number 1. Lesson number 2: Research methods, sex scores, correlation and correlation coefficients, beach correlation studies, hi-fi studies. Very simple. Lesson number 3: The biology behavior. Introduction Max Sputnik and genetic timeline of human and human evolution, genetic code and dominance complexity. That's a very important topic. Sensation and perception. That's lesson number 4. In this lesson, you will learn about the weight difference threshold, and also you'll be involved in concepts about mechanoreceptors and the golden brain ceremony. Also, you'll be able to know about the nearsightedness and the eye and the audience eye theory, which is a very, very interesting topic. Lesson number 5: Psychological development. Of course, nature based on nurture. 2. Development stages and domains, and prenatal exposure. Lesson 5. Lesson number 6: Consciousness, coma and consciousness and attention. Meditation, which is a very, very wild topic. For the functional sleep apnea and insomnia. I'm telling you, I'm gonna take this course. It's really important. Lesson 7: Depressant, hallucinant, and opioids. Barbiturate and benzodiazepines, alcohol and other depressant, heroin and other opioids, cannabis, marijuana effects, which is a very controversial controversial topic since it's being legalized through the state lately. Psilocybin for terminal illness, and MDMA for PTSD. Um, Interesting. Lesson number 8, we have the memory, HM or Henry Mollison removal of the hippocampi. We also have sensory memory, central executive, and we have introduction to long-term memory. And lesson number 9, and much more, of course. Language, intelligence, motivation and emotion, stress and health, personality, social behavior, psychological disorders. I'm telling you, this is a very important course. I cannot stop encouraging you from taking it. All right. Introduction to psychology. I'm gonna leave the URL down below so you actually know more about it. And of course, um, if you have any concern, don't hesitate to let me know. Let me know how do you do, and if you take advantage of it, how did it change your life, how it impacts you. All right. Good luck. I'm gonna leave it up to this point. I don't want to feed you with too much intel because it's getting. I don't want to bother you with that. But I wish you the best on this course. It's really important. Have a wonderful day. Adios.